guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, so for today's welcome back to my everyday and every other day vlog. So if you're new here to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to watch all my videos, my previous videos, and also please don't forget, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell. And yeah, if you are new here, and yeah, just if you're new here, just if you just pass by, so yeah, that's it. And if you're new here to my, and also please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts below: Instagram at Darius Evardo and Facebook Darius Evardo. And without further ado, let's jump out to the video. By the way, for today's video, we will go to recreate Letisha Velasco trending makeup look, which is the Moana. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump out to the video. I am gonna be using this, I'm going to use Everyble All Day Liquid Foundation. So yeah, this is the shade Olive. Just blend. So for our concealer, I will be using two concealers, Everyble Liquid Concealer and this BYS Concealer. Yeah. So guys, I'm already done with my base, and I'm going to add, and this is Maybelline New York Fit one with powder. So yeah. And just only a tapping motion. Like that. Tapping motion only. So again, I forgot to add contour. So I will be adding contour. So just get your brush and blend it. Guys, I'm sorry for that, plans. Sure. Okay, never mind. So for our brows, I will use my favorite one, BYS Brows Definition. Sure. So guys, I need to spread my neck here. So guys, for today's, is for our eyeshadow, I will be using this one from Carolina's Slumber Party Eyeshadow Palette. So for the transition color, I'm gonna pick this and this. Yeah, just blend it right away. Sure, right now. So we're gonna get this. We've already our transition color. Now we're going to blend this one. Just blend it. Hi guys, that is the finished look. Hope you like this Moana makeup look. So yeah, if you want to see more videos, so please don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, see you again on the next video. Bye bye. Hi, I am Moana, not to move on my boat to sail across the sea and the starry heart of the Bye bye.